Hi guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use domain accounts in Aster workplaces. I won't go deep into how to set up the domain controllers and adding the Aster PC to domain. I'll show you how you can use domain accounts in Aster workplaces. So let's get started. I'll show you the domain server that I have here. I've installed it in Hyper-V. You can install it in your server or have it in a separate computer. So this is the server. Connect. If you have not configured Active Directory, then go through the Microsoft's Active Directory manual or step by step and configure it. Since I've already configured, I'm not going to show the steps. Let me open the directory users and computers. Here in the computers, I've added the lab computer, which is the Aster PC's name. And then in users, there are 5 user accounts, as you can see here. And the 6th one, main workplace registry account. And you have to add these user account first and then set it as auto login for the Aster workplaces. Make sure that you are connected to the domain, and you can check that from about your PC, and you have to make sure that the full device name has the domain name, otherwise this won't be connected to the domain. And once you have connected the Aster PC to the domain on Aster control, run as administrator. Since this PC has been added to the domain controller already, I have to use the domain controller's administrator account in order to open Aster control. Head over to Workplaces tab and then click on hamburger icon and choose edit user login. Then click on domain account. By default, it will be local. Then click on domain account. Type in the name of the domain, and this will be this part before the .co and after the device name. So after you write the name, type in the domain user account. After you have typed the domain account and then the password, click OK. Similarly, do the same for other user accounts. I've already done it before. And do the same for all the user accounts. I've already done it before. These as workplaces are already running. Let me show you these workplaces using Iron Master, which I installed and configured before. Now you'll see that I have 5 workplaces here, and the 6th one is this main workplace, so I'm not displaying here. But if you are using Iron Master application in another computer, then you can have it checked here. Now let me show you that these workplaces are indeed in domain, and that I can do from remote control. And you can see here 0505. If I go to change account settings, you'll see here aster.ibik. This is the domain controller, and this is the domain user account that is logged in here. This one. So it's quite easy to add the workplaces to log in using the domain account, as long as you have configured the domain controller and added the Aster PC to the domain. For this video, that's about it. And if you guys need it, then I'll make a separate video on how to set up the Windows server, also set up Active Directory in the Windows server, and add the user accounts and the computers. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.